What's good, YouTube? It's me, Nola girl, and I'm here with another quick video. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. Yeah, and let's hurry up and get into it. Now, the family and I is here in New Orleans, Louisiana, and we decided to ride out Hurricane Zeta. What did we do that for? Here we go. I'm going to take y'all on a little journey of how to ride out, what we do when we ride out a storm. Now the lights have been flashing off and on. It seems like we're getting ready to lose power. Okay, now I'm in my living room. I'm about to open this door and show you guys what it looks like outside. The Zeta is out there. Here we are, guys. Here's our vehicle. A lot of the neighbors stay home, you know, because we just didn't know what to expect. But the winds are blowing really, really hard. It's raining. It's not flooded in the front. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. It's not flooded in the front, but it is flooded in my backyard. My house is on a incline a little. Let's open the door just a little bit. Wow. Wow. Y'all hear that? Take a walk to the backyard, guys, so y'all can see what it's looking like out there.
What was that? Let's go outside. Let me see if it's 200 flower weed. Huh? Let me see if it's 200 flower weed. The what? We ain't able to 200 flower weed. What?
Oh God. Here is the back of the house. Okay. Okay, as you can see, if you guys can see, there's a trampoline over there. The gate has fallen. Oh. The gate has fallen, and I hope the trampoline don't fly away. We had to move the basketball goal because the winds are supposed to be so strong that I didn't want it to get knocked over. Say what's up to the vlog, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back in the video in the front. So if anything else happens, I will post another video. It's supposed to get worse. It's just beginning. And check this out. I hate this. Look at that. That's that eat with eat sauce, guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna log off this video, guys, and I'm gonna come back later with an update and keep you guys posted on how we're doing here in New Orleans as we ride out Hurricane Zeta. Y'all have a good one and keep us in your prayers.